Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Power BI desktop and access to the API. Enter the endpoint and authentication details because the query must run inside Power Query. Use GET for simple pulls or POST for parameterized calls. You need headers and body when required. Once done, open Home Get Data Web and choose Advanced so you can paste endpoint, set HTTP method, add headers authorization, and set content if needed. This begins the actual import pipeline. Next, you transform and handle complex responses. Use Power Query's JSON, document, or XML tables to parse the payload, then expand nested records into usable columns. For multi-page APIs, create a Power Query function that takes page or token parameters and call it from a list-generating query to iterate until no next page exists. Make sure to parameterize query values for reuse and place credentials in data source settings, so refresh. Finally, you load the clean table into the model and set correct data types so relationships work reliably. Publish to Power BI service and configure scheduled refresh. If your API requires a gateway or private network, install and register it. If something breaks, inspect HTTP status codes, headers, rate limit responses, and authentication token expiry. Try replaying requests in Postman to isolate server versus Power Query issues. Make sure to log errors and incrementally test fixes so refreshes return stable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.